Bad neighbors suck, folks. That's one thing that I think we can all agree on. Imagine going outside to pick up your newspaper and you step on your neighbor's dog's poop that happens to be on your yard. What about a neighbor that gets a security camera and points it right at your house instead of their own yard? I don't think anybody likes nosy neighbors. Let me know in the comments section some of your stories about your bad neighbors. I definitely want to read that. You guys are going to want to watch this video all the way through. It gets real juicy at the end. This video comes to you from a channel called Wannabe Bad Cops, and it seems to me that these neighbors keep calling the cops on each other. Before you watch the video, I gotta let you know about the woman's kids. These kids are funny, folks. And one of the kids gets right in front of the cop and says, "If my daddy comes, he's gonna destroy you." I can't say that I know whose side I'm on here because I don't know. This video is just insane. Without further ado, folks, I'll play the video. You guys enjoy this one. Here we go, folks.
Mama,
I'm gonna tell police something. Police,
Porque ellos están ahí haciendo nada.
any soldier.
Entonces, este es fun for me.
How?
This is fun for me.
How? You see the police?
Because you are in my life all the time. You're in my life all the time. I don't owe you nothing, babe. You're a psycho. Psycho. Como que tienen tecnología ahora.
If you don't listen to us, I will take your guns and put them in my house, and no officer doesn't have no gun. Did you hear me? Yes or no?
Whoa, this kid told the cop, if you don't listen to us, I will take your guns and put them in the house. Somebody give this kid a camera and a YouTube channel.
So, say yes or no.
Son pío pío, yo sé.
Okay, I'm taking one of your guns away. I don't know.
They need to even resign.
I don't know who's gonna say yes to me. Who's gonna say
Tell
yes?
him we're with what I'm in charge.
Where my dad is a if you let my mom call my dad will come what here
And do the show too.
destroy you all. Destroy you both.
Y nada va a pasar. Mira, por lo menos me afeito y ustedes no.
You want me to come close to you?
Ajá. This is fun for them. This is fun for them. They don't not do their job. This is public right now. Everybody's watching.
To the bad guy's house. We have a bad guy here.
Estamos sick. We're sick. We will have to be in charge.
I need a top.
Se para mejor que él, espérate.
Stop! I'm gonna go in your police car.
Ven, vente. Cuidado con la calle. Cuidado, no. Ven. Ven para acá. Ven para acá. Que no están haciendo su trabajo. Jueguen ahí. What are you gonna do? We will have them to be in charge.
Behind you.
No, dale, coge la pistola y yo creo que él se atreve ahí. Si se atreve que le pongan un knife a mi hijo.
I'm talking
Pío, pío, ¿verdad?
I'm talking to my brain.
Are you gonna hit that kid?
Mama, carry me.
Está loco, your fuss. Pío, pío, mira lo que te dice el pajarillo todo. You know what's a pío, pío?
A pew pew. Okay, you're gonna be surrounded. You two, stop, 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 stop. No,
Bendito nada, no están haciendo su trabajo. Aquí esto es infierno ya.
they're gonna take me.
I don't know, they want to. Dale, close his door. You work for him. Give him a kick.
Whoa, did I hear that correctly? Give him a kick? That's some really good parenting right there, folks. What do you guys think?
Mama, get out of the street! Get out of the street!
Vente, papi. Que ni se atreven. Ni que a darle a los nenes.
Ah! You can't work from a computer. And look at your...
Now. I'm not doing anything. This is specific. With what I'm being charged. With what I'm being charged. With what I'm being charged. With what I'm being charged.
Move out of the
With
street.
what you have space in the back, babe.
Move out of the street.
With what I'm being charged.
Move!
With what? No. You do it. You're a police officer.
You do it.
Mama, listen what he said.
I'm not afraid of you because you have a gun. I could kill your boss anytime and he show the gun anytime, every time to me. With bullets. And I didn't.
Move from in front of my car.
What I'm being charged now? Huh? For justice? Oh,
Nobody won't leave.
you're ugly. And you too.
Mama!
Vente, papi.
I'm
Dale, espérate, espérate.
gonna stop it.
Ah! Ah! I don't know. They don't do their job here. And we're going to Washington to the Senate.
Today?
No, tomorrow or I don't know when, okay? Come on. You're staying with mommy. You're not going even to school.
What? With a knife.
That's what they did.
Officers, I'm telling you, you knew better. You would take them kids from her. She's crazy.
Yeah.
She is crazy if you knew better.
She's crazy. She doesn't even fight for her kids. I hear her place.
You gotta stop calling the 911.
No, I'm gonna keep calling and making record.
This is the most important part of the video, even though the whole damn video is funny. But cops use a propaganda machine, folks. And a part of that propaganda machine is the see something, say something slogan. But this cop is telling the woman, you need to stop calling 911. Basically, stop calling the cops. But this woman says, no, I'm gonna keep making record. Folks, the cops and the blue line propaganda machine created this environment. They want everybody in the neighborhood that has some kind of misunderstanding with the neighbor, they want you to call the cops, folks.
This is going public already. Look at him. He's gone. He's angel. You're not working for that. You know that.
You
wanna keep listening to birds?
Because I got 3 laps. If you use
I wanna see if you're gonna kick my
we're
kid.
gonna hide.
Oh, because they did that here.
Man, y'all need to take that dumbass bitch out here, man.
No.
That's a sorry ass bitch.
Dude,
Straight like that.
he sells crack.
Sell crack.
Yeah. He
You
said
a
it to
stupid
his
ass
boss.
bitch, you lying
He
ass
said it to
bitch.
his boss.
8-4. Come get
Why don't you tell him how you be beating the fuck out your fucking kids?
No, this is record.
I'm dead now.
That bitch said I was selling
I
crack, bro.
gotta
You a
work.
sorry ass dumbass.
I got forces. I got
Hey man,
two
what the fuck you gonna do?
Stop, that's your
Yeah,
boss.
Y el bicho es tuyo.
Do
Y el
something.
bicho.
Do something.
Dale, tu pistola ahora.
Do something.
Tu pistola.
Girl, you about a bunch of cap.
Dale.
You about a bunch of cap.
Dale.
Hey man, get that shit out of my
Dale.
fucking face.
Dale, que tú no crees ni en eso.
Man, get that shit out of my face, bro.
Officers,
Yeah, you better not put that shit in
you
my
need
face
to
no
get
more.
her. You need to get her.
They're
She pulled a
screaming.
knife out on
Not
them.
me.
Man, I don't give a fuck about that shit,
She
man.
needs to go. She's
If
crazy.
somebody was laid out there, give a
They're
fuck.
screaming, I don't know why.
Man, get that shit out of my fucking face.
What?
Boy, I'm trying to tell you. If he touched me with that fucking shit, bro,
It's an angel.
what the fuck you gonna
An
do?
angel. I don't
What
know
the fuck
what
you gonna
else.
do?
We're gonna fight here and we're gonna do it.
Hey, there ain't no fight.
With knives and everything. We're
Bro,
straight
you-
up.
Hey, bro.
Kill me right
Bro, I'm
now.
gonna tell you like this. I'm gonna to you like this, bro. You pull a knife out on me twice. When you pull a knife out on me the third time, when you pull a knife out on me the third time, bro, it's over for you, bro.
He came from nowhere.
Yeah.
You came from nowhere.
And what you gonna do though?
I don't know. You haven't done nothing about it.
What you gonna do?
What do we learn from this here video, folks? We learned that not everybody should be calling the cops. We as a people need to learn how to deal with things without involving the cops. There's a comment that I keep getting. I think it's kind of funny, but it's right on the money. It says, there is no situation that a cops can't make worse. That's probably my favorite comment right now because it's true. Obviously, nobody at this location respects police. You can tell both sides didn't have respect for them. But that doesn't just come naturally, folks. Cops seem to earn the hate everywhere they go. Cops have lost respect along the way. In my heart, I believe that cops lose respect because they aren't trained properly. They aren't trained to be good cops. How do I know this? The patterns don't lie, folks. Cops are only being trained in brute force and compliance. They definitely aren't being trained in your natural rights. Did you guys know that cops swear an oath to the Constitution in order to get that job? I challenge anyone watching right now to look for a video where a cop is sworn in where he actually knows the oath that he's swearing to. In every video that I have seen, 100%, cops raise their right hand and all they're doing is repeating something that somebody else is reading to them. They never learned their oath, folks. That is a crying shame, and that is why we have a lot of issues with police out there. Friends and neighbors, and especially family, stop involving the cops in your problems. Learn how to deal with situations without involving cops. Keep in mind that they're only being trained in brute force and compliance. It is not their job to solve problems, folks. With that being said, thank you all for tuning in. I will go ahead and drop the original channel link in the description and in the pinned comment. We will see you guys on the next video if you subscribe and hit the bell. We'll see you then, folks. Peace.